Well, if you have a sawmill, you know there's a never-ending supply of slabs. Never ending. As long as you're sawing, there's always slabs. So we're gonna have to get at this soon. Get it all chopped up. This is the cutting bench that we use. But what we've been doing last fall, last spring, I can't remember. This is how we kind of like bulk process the slabs, and just 1 foot sections, 1 foot lengths, 4 feet this way, 3 feet this way. So each row is 12 cubic feet. And Gina's further along up the road, and she's processing 2 crates that we did, like I said, last year. So let's go see how many bags she's getting out of the crates.
Hi.
Keep going. Work, work, work. While she's doing that, let's take a little stroll. So here we got 12-inch hardwood. Here we have campfire, that's the low-grade hardwood. Some people call them uglies. Here we have seasoned 14-inch hardwood and seasoned 16-inch. So you'll notice the difference in the crates. These tall crates we use for 12-inch wood. And when the crate is completely full with 12-inch, it's 32 cubic feet, quarter of a quart. We also use these crates for 14-inch. And so when you do the math on it, it works out to about where we're stacking it. And that's 32 cubic feet of 14-inch. 16s, and again, some more 14s. You see the painted line? That's where we predetermined, that's for 14-inch stacks. More 16 seasoning. It's the stuff we split about probably, I'd say about 2 months ago. Logs that are well over, I'd say about 16 months old. And this is what we've been splitting the last probably week and a half, 2 weeks. So each row is a cord. This is all our spares that we have now for this coming winter. Somebody calls and they're short for wood. As long as they need 16-inch, this is what we have. We split this yesterday, and we split that today. We try and do a quart a day. And over here is 18-inch. So same kind of conversation I had about using the tall crates, 12-inch, and then also using them for 14s. The same thing applies for 18-inch. It's the same crate as 16s. But for 18s, it's just a couple inches shorter. And these have been sitting for, I'd say about a month and a half, 2 months. These have been sitting here since about April. Guy called early in the year, wanted wood for this fall, which is the smart thing to do. And yeah, so his are nice and well seasoned. Ready to pick up some. These big crates here are the hardwood ends. Drying. We use them in the house. Some people buy them for their small stoves in their wood workshops, or if they have a little tiny home or something. So you can sell to them. I think this is a half cord crate, and it sells for $60.
Hey,
How are you?
what are you shutting my machine off for?
Break time.
Oh, already?
It just came from lunch, but now it's break time.
Perfect.
So how's it going?
Good. It doesn't take long.
So yesterday you did half a crate,
Half a crate.
and I'd said in an earlier conversation down by the sawmill that one row is 12 cubic feet. And we're stuffing these in bags. That's about almost a cubic foot. It's more than 3/4 of a cubic foot, but it's not quite a cubic foot. And how many bags did you say you got out of one row?
Yesterday I got 19 bags.
19 bags, which is way more than I expected.
Yeah. So these 2 crates is almost 80 bags.
Wow.
So, and they've been here a year, so they're good and dry.
So 12 cubic feet of slab wood, even with the bark removed,
Yeah.
on the majority of it,
99%, yeah.
makes 12 cubic feet makes 19 bags. That's a lot. I thought, well, I figured 12 bags, but yeah, I thought about 12 or 13 bags, but you get
Yeah.
19.
19, and that's, yeah, because yesterday when I was here, the bark was filled right into here where I
Yeah,
was working. So I just drove over there and dumped it off.
they're picking blueberries over in the field across the lake. Well, all right. So you're going to continue this?
Yeah.
And I'm going to go sharpen saw blades.
Sounds good. Turn my machine back on your way by.
I will.